Hi Year 7, I hope you're well, having a lovely day. Today you're going to do a bit more work, just sort of building on the indice work we've done this week. Do pause the video and put a date and title. It's going to be quite a short video today because we spent a lot of time talking last lesson about these laws, and I want to give you loads of time to practice some problems with them yourselves. So just a quick video to recap. As ever, do have a go at these problems ahead of me if you can. Pause the video and get ahead if you can, and then watch it back to see how you get on. So there's sort of three basic ones that are going to be the sort of for the main task that I need everyone to do today. X to the power 7 times x cubed. Now you don't have to write it out every time, but remember what it means. X to the power 7 means, let's just get the paper right in line. X to the power 7 means x times x times x times x times x times x times x. That's x to the power 7. Times x cubed means x times x times x. Altogether there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 x's being multiplied by each other, so it means we've got x to the power of 10. That's right, remember, if the terms are the same and you multiply them together, the powers add together. The 7 plus the 3 gives you the 10. And conversely, when you multiply the terms, the powers get added together. So when you divide the terms, we subtract the powers. 10 to the power 8 divided by 10 to the power 2 is 10 to the power 8 minus 2, or 6. And then the other key rule, m to the power 7 cubed. Again, if you're not sure, you think about what it means. We've got m to the power 7 being cubed, which means m to the power 7 times m to the power 7 times n to the power 7. And then using this rule where the powers add together, we've got 7, 14, m to the power 21. And that rule is those powers multiply. Don't feel like you need to write it out like that every time, but if you ever get stuck with one, writing it out like that is a good way to go about trying to sort yourself out. Okay, that's going to be the main task, but I'm going to give some of us that are more confident the chance to look at some of those trickier ones. And we're going to look at a few of these together now. 4x y to the power 5 times 7x squared y to the power 4. So we've got lots of terms here, but they're all being multiplied together. 4x y to the power 5 just means 4 times x times y to the power 5 times 7 times x squared times y to the power 4. We just need to multiply the different bits together. We know that 4 times 7 is 28. X, remember, is the same as x to the power 1. So we've got x to the power 1 times x squared is x cubed. Y to the power 5 times y to the power 4 is y to the power 9. Then we've got this division one. Remember, that line means divide. Kind of the opposite, kind of similar, but the opposite to the other one. Divide the different bits. So 2 divided by 12 is 6. A to the power 4 divided by a to the power 3, still minusing, remember, is a to the power 1. But we don't have to write to the power 1 with a to the power 1, we can just write a. And b to the power 11 divided by b to the power 5. Again, the power subtract, so it's b to the power 6. Again, with these ones, if you're really lost with these ones, go and do that first main task first. And if that's all you get time for in today's lesson, that's absolutely fine. If you're not super sure on these ones, that's fine. These are for the people. You should be on this bit. If you've done the first bit, you've done the main bit, you've got them all right, and you've got time, you want a bit more of a challenge, that's for those people. This last one then, 2a squared b cubed. So this whole thing is being cubed. So we've got 2a squared b times 2a squared b times 2a squared b. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. A squared times a squared is a to the power 4, times a squared is a to the power 6. And then b times b times b is b cubed. And what you'll notice with this one is each part is being cubed. 2 cubed is 8. A squared cubed is a to the power 6. And b cubed is b cubed. Okay, just a short video for you today then, but that gives everyone plenty of time to practice some more of those questions. Any problems, do let me know. But otherwise, have a lovely day, and I will speak to you later on. Have a good one.